Hey guys, it's Sixpack and today I want to share to you another successful fitness story from one of my clients. Well, her name is Abby. She started working out with me 102 kilograms. Now we are down to 74. Guys, I want you to stay tuned and be inspired. Be the inspiration this time.
So I started with Coach Sixpack July 2023, so that was last year. What motivated me kasi was, di ba, during pandemic, yung weight ko. So, since lockdown, I had to stay at home all the time, work from home. Doon lumabas yung mga unhealthy habits. So, nung medyo lumuwag na, which was, yun nga, last year, around July, doon ko na-realize na parang I have to do something with my body kasi sobrang nag-reach na ako ng 100 kilos eh. So, yun yung turning point ko. Parang kung may isip mo, mag-1 year na ako with Coach Sixpack. Medyo matagal siya. Pero when I really think about it, it's actually okay kasi it's sustainable eh. Parang hindi mo binigla yung self mo na parang okay, kailangan in just a short span of time, you have to achieve your goal. Ang inisip ko that time is, as long as I'm moving, as long as I'm losing weight, even if it's just half kilogram per week or less, I'm okay with it. Masaya naman kasi parang it feels like he's proud of me and nakaka-proud yung may na-achieve na ako finally kasi sobrang tagal talaga nung transformation ko. Gusto ko lang naman talaga that time is to yung maging masana yung katawan ko sa movement. Masana yung katawan ko na medyo nagbabawas ng pagkain. And that's when I learned to eat healthier foods, unlearn unhealthy habits, and to also prioritize moving and working out for my body, of course. It's my team that motivates me to keep going. Even if I don't feel like showing up, even if I feel like hindi ko gusto yung ginagawa ko, I don't like working out, or I feel like it's difficult to eat less than usual. When I see my teammates, I feel like kung ginagawa nila yon, then I have to also to keep going. I have to still do it. I have to move kasi I'm pretty sure pare-pares lang kami ng nararamdaman, pare-pares lang kami ng pinagdadaanan. So that's what motivated me to still push through despite the difficult and challenging moments of my fitness journey. Like kung nga sinasabi sa parents ko, ano ko to, yung pagsali ko sa gym, yung pag-workout ko, at yung pagda-diet ko, it's actually a long-term investment. I can say that it's a long-term investment kasi you're doing it now, so you can do a lot more in the future. Mahirap ngayon, pero I can really say positively na i-rip ko kung ano man yung tinanim ko ngayon. I really felt good about myself kasi I was not after their praises eh, pero I'm after talaga of my personal goals. So, yun, I gained my confidence. Another thing would be, mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko, yun. I think you need to have a strong willpower. When you have strong willpower, parang kahit anong mind games na sinasabi ng katawan mo na hindi mo na kaya, hindi mo ma-achieve yung goals mo, hindi mo makukuha yung weight goal mo, kahit anong bulong na naririnig mo na negative, hindi mo siya mapapakinggan. Parang ang sa-strike sa utak mo, sa sarili mo na I have to keep going because I have my personal fitness goals. I am grateful that I'm in Delta team and that I'm part of that team kasi sobrang laking tulong ng group na to kasi we can talk about a lot of things na hindi naman workout or fitness related. Alam mo yun, parang we relate to each other. We can tell about many things to each other. Sa kanila ko talaga nakuha yung support system na kailangan ko. Pakiramdam mo sa sarili mo, hindi mo kaya, pero sila, naniniwala silang kaya mo. Dahil kay Coach Sixpack, sobrang dami ko natutunan. I gained a lot of lessons, learnings. I gained friends. As an introvert, sobrang rare sa akin yun. Pero dahil sa team na to, sa Delta team, and of course, the whole Project Sixpack team, I was able to gain friends. I was able to connect with other people. Isa yun sa masasabi ko na blessing din sa akin. Normal yung feeling na inconvenient, mahirap, nakakapagod. It's normal. It's part of the process and it will always be part of the process. But if you accept in the first place na this is going to be part of the journey, na mahihirapan ako, then it will be easier for you to keep going dun sa transformation journey mo. Another thing is yung faith mo sa sarili mo and faith mo in God. Every time na I feel weak, I pray. Every time na I don't feel like going to the gym or eating healthy foods, I pray. So it's important to pray and to have faith in God and believe in yourself. I am seeing myself at around 60 to 65 kilos. I'm not in a hurry, I'm not rushing. As long as I keep moving, as long as I set my eyes on my goal, I know it's going to be possible. Of course, with Coach Sixpack's guidance, and I am pretty much excited to achieve it. And isa din sa goal ko to join Spartan in competitive category next year. I think I have to get healthier and more fit para maalagaan ko sila, para mas humaba pa yung buhay ko dito sa mundo, para mas makasama ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. Yun yung isa talaga sa nakapagpa-motivate sa akin to start. You will never get there unless you start. Hi, I'm Abby and I'm from Project Sixpack's Delta team. This is my weight loss journey.
So to everyone who have watched Abby's fitness story, I'm calling you out. If you want to create or start your own fitness journey and make a successful story, well, the 21-day challenge program, the shortest path to your fitness goal. Once again, this is Sixpack at 8K24 Fitness Elite. Let's all talk and train soon. Out for me. Hey guys, it's Sixpack, and if you're one of the few who watches this video till the end, congratulations. Visit me, I'll give you a discount in this 21-day challenge. Well, don't let it just to be an inspiration, but this time, decide. Be the inspiration yourself. Once again, it's Sixpack, you know where to find me. 8K24 Fitness Elite. Let's talk and train soon. Out for me.